Aprilia Tuono V4 X brings 221 horsepower for the track only. Behold the Aprilia Tuono V4 X, a limited edition, track-only, version of the no-ails hyper-naked bike. Complete with MotoGP-inspired wings, this carbon fiber-clad Tuono V4 posts some impressive figures. Built by Aprilia Racing, the Tuono V4 X is similar to the RSV4 X that we saw last year, most notably that only 10 units will be made available to the public. This is a shame, because the Aprilia Tuono V4 X is dripping with awesome,